Where is he, Nick?
Right here.
Ah, fucking fire.
He's going back for you. Make him go back towards it.
I got 2 on me.
Shit! Oh, Nick's getting old.
Fine. Right into the ball. Bullshit! Fire. Sorry, he's pissed.
Yeah.
I got guys on me,
Coming, I'm coming.
and I'm down. Down below. Underneath the
Oh my
wing
God.
where you dropped one of the guys, Nick.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Move!
There's another one to the left at the half walls, the concrete walls.
I'm taking water here. Throwing grenade.
Oh my god! He needs it. Might be a full squad.
That
Oh mother!
Overhead.
Holy fuck. Alright.